Do you have an emergency fund? Well, if you don't, then this is just the video for you. I have a 52-week savings challenge, and it's working with small amounts of money. And that means it will be a very easy savings challenge that can help you get an emergency fund started and keep it going. You just have to be patient, consistent, and disciplined. Constantly adding to it and disciplined by not touching it, except for if it is emergency. So join me in this easy savings challenge. This is the easiest one I have. I have 7 altogether. And you will be glad that you did. And you will see the importance of saving money for an emergency fund. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025. Let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you will subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that could use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund. And you'll be happy if you have some money to tap into when emergency comes. You don't want to be in this situation when emergency comes. No, you don't. It is a horrible situation to be in. Trust me, been there, done that. Yeah, and I have 7 savings challenges, and today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 7, which I do on Sundays. Even though today is Monday, I didn't get a chance to get this one up yesterday. I tell you, y'all don't have too many irons in the fire. And I think that's what's going on with me. I got too many irons in the fire. You can't be faithful to everything when you have too many things going on. But anyway, I'm trying to get it together. So, yeah. And this is, like I said, this is savings challenge number 7, which I do on Sundays. And it is working with, oh, I forgot to bring my little change jar. It is working with change. Yeah. Now, we can agree this is very easy. Change. We all have change at some point. We break a $1 bill or 5 or 10, and somehow we get change. All we have to do is take a container and start adding it to it. Now, this savings challenge, I started this one last year in May of 2024 when someone dropped me a comment saying something about low income. You know, I can't really remember the comment, but that's what made me come up with this savings challenge, because I only had 6. So then I came up with this one. I said, okay, well, let me make one with change. That way nobody has no excuse. Yeah, we always have change. We just have to be patient, consistent, and disciplined. Constantly adding to it. Disciplined by not touching it. You see, look how full this jar is. Let me see. Look, can you see that? It's heavy. See how full that is? This was empty when I first started. I had a couple containers that I was working with, and it kept filling up, so then I got this one. And this is a 52-week savings challenge, and it's almost completed. It'll be completed by the end of this year. I believe we're already at 52 weeks, I think. Like I said, I got so much going on. But anyway, so what I've been doing, and hopefully you've been able to follow me with this particular savings challenge. At first, when I started this, I was just taking random amounts of change, whatever I could get my hands on. Sometimes it was $1, sometimes it was $5, sometimes $3, sometimes $2. Whatever I can, and I was putting in here. And when it got up to $170, I decided, I sat down and calculated how much I need to put in here every week to get $1,000. But first I kept saying, no, I'm going to save $1,000 worth of change. But I did this to show you, if I can do it, you can too. And if you're just starting with this particular savings challenge, no worries. Just carry it over to next year, because I'm going to be doing this again next year. Yeah. Okay, so we want to save at least $1,000, and that will cover emergency up to $1,000, but we don't want to stop there. We want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. That way, if something like this happens, we have money to tap into. But I mean, you don't want to save 3 to 6 months of your living expenses and change. You won't have that money in the bank. Yeah. That way, if something like this happens, you can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your life insurance, your car insurance. You can buy food. You can keep things going for 3 to 6 months until like this changes. Okay? And this is happening to a lot of people. A lot of jobs have closed. We had the government shut down, and I think it's back. I don't know. But yeah, you don't want to have no surprises, okay? You want to already, doing something like this gives us peace of mind. Like if something happens, okay, no problem, I got it. You know, I can keep things going until things change. Look, we don't know what's going to happen. So I came up with these savings challenges, and I'm creating these videos to encourage and motivate someone to start saving for emergencies if they're not. That way you won't have to go out and get one of these, one of these, one of these, one of these, and run up a bunch of these. You know, there are people actually living off of these, and this keeps us in a hole. We want to come out of this. Not only do we want to save money for emergency, we want to be financially free. And if we're in a bunch of this keeps us from being financially free. Okay? Hey, where's my other card? Okay. It must have gone on the floor, but it's going to stay there. And you want to do whatever you can to come out of this. This can help you also save money for emergency, plus become financially free. Yeah. We don't want to be in this. And this and this, because it's not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. Yes. Now, something like this is good because this can help us to have passive income and become financially free. Yeah. You know, this could be other people's money. Yeah. And which is a good thing. Yeah. Now, this is a great savings challenge if this is your situation, because it is working with small amounts of money. Okay? Now, but if this is your situation, do whatever you can to increase it. Have multiple streams of income, more than one. Because if something happens to one, that way you have other money to tap into and to keep things going. Okay? And if this is your situation, this is a great savings challenge, because like I said, it's working with small amounts of money, which is change. Yeah. So, and what we're going to do right now is say our affirmations that we have, that we're saying every day. Say these when you get up in the morning, in the afternoon, and before you go to bed. Now, what I did, I set a timer on my phone where I'm saying them at 3 a.m. That's when I wake up. 9 a.m., 11 a.m., 1 p.m., 3 p.m., 5 p.m., and 7 p.m. So you say these affirmations all day, because we literally can speak things into existence, because the Bible teaches us death and life is in the power of our tongue. We have what we say, call those things as be not as though they were. Yes, we can. This is actually manifesting what we want, what we need. If you're in need of a situation, or something, or you want something, don't just say, oh, I wish I could have that, and and don't have negative thinking, stinking thinking, and don't be speaking negative. Speak positive. There's things I said, oh, I'm going to get one of those. And do you know I have it? Yes. It's all in your mind, your mindset. Just like when I bought my car, the one I drive now, the loan for my car was a 6-year loan. And I sat there and I said, I'm going to pay this off early. And do you know I paid it off in 3 years? I didn't know how I was going to do it, but I said it and it happened. Okay? And things can happen for you. Change your mindset. And be careful being around people that speak negative. I have a family member. Sometimes I call them to say hi, see how they're doing. I have to get off the phone with them because they say a lot of negative things and speaking a lot of negative things. And I ain't trying to have negative things happen, and that can hinder your manifestation. Okay, so let's go ahead and read our affirmations. Yeah. I decree and I declare that money now coming to me, money chases me down. I decree and I declare that I am prosperous, send prosperity now. I decree and I declare that I owe no man nothing and I am debt free. Did I say that wrong? Okay. I decree and I declare I am debt free and I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare that I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare that my checking account and saving account balance is, and write down and speak what you want it to be, okay? And keep saying it until it happens now. I decree and I declare that all of my bills are paid in full and all of my needs are met. I decree and I declare that I do not live in lack or want. I decree and I declare that I am financially free. And I decree and I declare that I am a money magnet. Yeah. And if you have some other things that you want to add, this is basically a vision board. If you have some more things you want to add to it, just add it on there. And ain't nothing wrong with saying, I decree and I declare I'm a rich, wealthy, multi-millionaire. Yeah. Believe it, receive it, and we are expecting these things to happen. We gotta believe it. Don't wait until it comes. Start acting like it. Start getting happy and excited about it before it comes. The Bible says, don't wait till the battle's over. Shout now. Get excited before it happens. Okay? All right. Now, let's go ahead and add our money. Now, this is $50. This is what I'm adding today. But I'm not going to break these open. Oh, Wanda. Oh, here's my other card. Yeah, do what you can to pay this off. I'll pick that up later. Because I got to go to the dealership today to take my car. So when I get through filming this video, I'm going to film the Monday's video. So I'm not going to break these open. I'll do that later. But I'm going to just drop them in here for now. Okay? And these are... these are rolls of dimes, okay? All right, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and the one that's on the floor that I'll get after I turn the camera off. Okay? All right, so that's $50 that I've added to these are rolls of dimes, okay? That's $5. $5. Okay, so those rolls are $5. Okay, so let's go ahead and record right quick. Okay, today is we're gonna put this on Sunday's video. On Sunday. Because this is supposed to be Sunday. Okay, which was Sunday, November 30th. And this is our money jar savings challenge. And we added $50. And the total amount is, what is that? Is that $850? Yeah. No. It's $900. Because the last Sunday, it was $850. Yeah. Okay. So, Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got great value out of it. I hope someone said to help you. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you're doing this saving challenge or any of the other saving challenges. Let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.